Hey listeners, this is Mindful Talks podcast. Welcome to the 23rd episode of #TechZGo. Today we're going to speak all about the various aspects about enterprise DevOps solutions. The term DevOps isn't alien nowadays, but getting the spotlight as more business enterprises are keen to implement it. The combination of two words precisely, the development and operations, have unified the culture and practice of software development. DevOps advocates at focusing on the entire process of software development, beginning with implementation, development, testing, releasing, and software maintenance and updates. One of the biggest advantages of employing the DevOps is that it helps to create shorter development cycles along with the improvement in the performance. The chances of committing errors or ending up in a failure reduce and establishes better interaction between the development and the operations team, thereby increasing the level of efficiency. It's totally fine that you are aware of the various benefits of DevOps. But as of now, let's understand the important aspects of enterprise DevOps solutions. The very first point is the enhancement of architectural models. The web and mobile applications development along with the software engineering follows the latest trends such as building single page web apps, microservices architecture, Internet of Things, and so on. Now, as these current trends power the traditional architectural models, it would similarly also disrupt the traditional software development lifecycle. Moreover, it also must be noted that the codes and deployable units travel swiftly in unidirection. The second major point is DevOps introducing a new work culture enterprises. So the DevOps has become synonymous with the work culture across various organizations as it encourages the team effort rather than the individual task. The increase in consumer demand for a more improved product or service has propelled organizations to look for viable DevOps services. When you are integrating the DevOps into your organization, you may face issues related to its technology and architecture and might also have to change your work ethics as well. But it will bring a long-lasting disruption in your work culture. The third major point is enterprises can go for more savings with DevOps. So one of the essential elements of the enterprise DevOps is that it allows the business organizations to save a lot of time as well as money. It is cost-effective software development solution that is based on agility of work environment and offers comprehensive tool for the testing procedure. The cost is also decreased due to swift testing process and product release cycles. You can utilize this money for other business purposes as well. The fourth major point is DevOps tooling for the automation. As a developer, you should know that tooling is an important aspect of the automation. The DevOps offer a series of tools that makes the automation much easier than ever before. A DevOps engineer is supposed to play the most crucial role in the entire process of software development and automation. He is the one who guides the entire development team while working on a new project, deciding which are the best DevOps tools to implement and how to onboard the DevOps platform. The fifth point is integrating DevOps with security model. So today a majority of business organizations are giving preferences to the IT hybrid model that includes the on-site data centers, private and public cloud, and domain-based SaaS and PaaS. That is software as a service and platform as a service. You will probably need the assistance of DevOps while dealing with the challenges related to hybrid models such as managing the release across a varied series of providers and entities. The sixth point is the increase in DevOps intelligence. The DevOps are proving to a game changer for the business organizations as it leads to smart DevOps intelligence with the support of DevOps services, data mining, and data churning. The business enterprises can take decisions based on data analytics and insights with the help of DevOps services so that they can release a development cycle and offer final delivery of the product. On the other hand, the DevOps help monitor the feedback bottlenecks and check the timing of the release cycle along with getting familiar with the value of each software or product release. The seventh point is enterprise DevOps as an investment. It is regarded as an investment for the fact that it offers a speedy delivery of the product and services with assurance of high quality due to automation and cost efficiency. Besides, it also provides a number of models that assure of higher ROI on the investments. Lastly, we must say that the DevOps solutions has been a blessing or a boon for the business enterprises, helping them to change the work culture and environment for higher productivity. It also encourages the organizations to implement innovation and bring agility if they want to reach out to more audiences. So, yes, that's it for today. We will see you in the next episode. Till then, keep rocking.